Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddy Vision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, reggae boy Kemar Roofe, a striker with Scottish Premiership side Rangers, is hoping a new hair transplant will boost his confidence in time for the new season. UK-born Roofe, 29, is a key member of manager Van Bronckhorst's squad, scoring 17 goals in 41 games for league runners-up Rangers last season. But a knee injury caused him to miss the last month of the schedule, although he came off the bench in extra time in the Europa League final as Rangers suffered a heartbreaking penalty shootout defeat to Frankfurt. Now the striker is going to be fit and firing for the start of the 22-23 season, when he will also be sporting a new look hairstyle after undergoing surgery in Istanbul. Kemar Roofe flew to Turkey under the watchful eye of experts at Este Medical Group. Roofe said, "The reason I chose Este is that every city I've lived in, Leeds, Birmingham and Glasgow, there's always been a clinic there. They have always helped me with my hair difficulties, lack of confidence and disappointment regarding my hair." This is some really weird news coming out of Scotland. Kemar Roofe saying that his lack of confidence was because he lost his hair. Now tell me guys, this is some real 2022 Delilah and Samson type of thing. You know, his powers is with his hair. You know, we've seen him with a bald spot, you know, representing Jamaica. Now he's, you know, went out and get a hair transplant. So we should be seeing a better Roofe. Is that so? Okay, Roofe believes that that's the case. He'll be bigger and better next season with his new hairstyle, his new hair. So guys, in the comment section below, let me know what you think about this really weird news coming out of Scotland. Our very own Kemar Roofe with a new hairstyle, a new hair transplant, no more bald spot, and he will be ready to go, ready to score more goals, get more assists, put in more performances, and he will be more confident because of his hair. Let me know what you guys think about this situation in the comment section below. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.